guys, I am going to be having this for dinner. Take it raw. You can take it raw. You can take it as a beverage. You can take it as a tea. Hi wonderful people, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be cooking, and we are cooking yam and traditional garden egg stew. Okay, so in here I have my garden eggs, I have my egg, and I have my yam. Guys, so I love pepper a lot, so I'm going to be using maybe 3 or 4 bonnet pepper, and this is my turkey berries. I want to add a little to it so that to give it a nice taste. You know, you guys, you know that this is a natural hematinic. If you don't know a hematinic is a drug that gives blood. So this turkey berries, if you don't know it, try it. Okay, so I'm going to add it out. I will add this and this in a rubber band, then I'll tie it and just put it on it so that it will just cook instead of putting it in water. Okay, then because I don't want stress, I'm going to be using my salted tilapia, and I want the salt to come out of it, so I've soaked it. Then later I'll cut fry, then I'll use it for my nyadua boom. My subscribers who are Ashantis, you guys, let me see ya. Okay, let me see ya. Guys, so I have my turkey berries, pepper, onions here tied in this wrap. I'll perforate it so that the water from my yam can enter it and cook it well. Okay, instead of boiling it separately, I'll just tie it like this. I'm going to be adding it so that everything will just boil. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so this is it. I have everything on it. This food is just complete. The yam is down there, the garden eggs, pepper, onions, turkey berries, eggs. The egg is somewhere there. Guys, so my kitchen is still a mess. I haven't been able to fix it. These are pallets that I'm going to use to create a cupboard or a cabinet, something temporarily, and so that I can clean up my kitchen. But for now, I am still managing, guys. So as I said in my earlier vlog, please, if you have any idea on how I can improve my videos for people to like, please share with me in the comment section. Okay, or you can inbox me on my personal account on Facebook, Gifty Achisiba. I'm much more active there than on Instagram, or better still, you can leave it on Instagram, Health and More. I'll take a look at it and we'll give it a try. Okay, so let me prepare the place. I'm trying to cook and clean. I've been able to dress my salted tilapia. It's not so big, but I'll manage. So I've been able to wash and dress it, and now I know much of the salt is out, so I'll now set it aside and now try to do dishes. I have some dishes here. Then this is clove. I don't know how many of you take it. I think the Ashantis call it pepper, yes, something like that. This is how it is. I don't know whether you can see it well. This clothing, if I tell you how beneficial it has plenty benefits, from weight loss to BP reduction to diabetes to heart to eyes to ears, everything. Okay, so if you are not taking some, please get it. Yesterday I bought it from Walmart. This costed 5 cedis. If I put this in a bottle of water, I first wash it. You wash it very well, because you know the market. You can't trust where it's coming from. So you first wash it, then you put it in a bottle, then you now add water. Usually a cup, I add about 1 liter of water to it. And it takes so long. It's not compulsory you take it raw. You can take it raw. You can take it as a beverage. You can take it as a tea. In fact, You do it and trust me. See, dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation, everything. It's one drug, cause me I call it a drug because it's a food but it's a drug, and it's also a spice. Okay, it's very helpful. So you can try it if you don't take one. So I want to wash my ginger. This one is ready, so I'm bringing it down. I'm going to be dealing with my 3 pepper, my turkey berries, and my onions. Okay. Cooking this kind of food is very easy. You just have everything boiled, put it in an earthenware, grind everything together. I added 1 tomato because I realized my pepper was so hot. Then added my salt, little salt to taste. Grinded everything together, added my garden eggs, my boiled garden eggs, grinded everything, and ta-da, it is ready. So now let's get ready to fry our salted tilapia. So in an empty pan, I'll add my palm oil. I'll preheat it. Then I can now add my salted tilapia. It's now unsalted because I kept it in water for a very long time. Okay, so our tilapia is ready now. Let's just remove it from the hot oil, and in that same oil let's add our washed and cut onions. And this food is just ready like that. With your fried onions, you just add it to your onion, pepper, turkey berry mixture. Then you just stir everything together. Your food is ready. Add your eggs, add your tilapia, ready to go. Guys, this is very easy to prepare and very nutritious. No frying, nothing involved. Your food is ready just like that. Take a look at this. I am going to be having this for dinner. I'm going to be having this for dinner. Take a look at this goodness, you guys.